Disney has introduced a mobile emotional robot that moves like a real character from cartoons. This device can mimic the walking style of specific Disney characters, like the rooster from Moana, or exhibit curiosity, similar to the robot from the movie WALL-E. Its antennas can also wiggle like cat ears, and its head can move in all directions, expressing emotions through body language. Robotic engineers collaborated closely with animators to achieve expressive movements from the device, reminiscent of an animated character. And they succeeded. Additionally, the robot confidently navigates rough terrain and maintains balance during collisions. The device is hardware agnostic, allowing it to be used for creating characters with completely different behaviors. According to the developers, Disney's robots may need to march, stroll, prance, sneak, jog, or slink to convey the desired emotions, and they already have a strong foundation for this. American company Thematics has created the world's first robot that can breathe, sweat, and even shiver. Meet Andy. Andy is also the first thermal mannequin that can be used outdoors. Thanks to this feature, scientists can now conduct experiments in previously impossible conditions of extreme heat and study the effects of solar radiation on the human body. The robot has 35 individually controlled surfaces with pores that produce sweat similar to humans. This allows scientists to simulate various age characteristics and medical conditions to monitor thermoregulatory processes in the human body and draw specific conclusions. In the near future, it is expected that the robot will be tested in the Arizona desert. Every year, container ships lose thousands of containers in the seas and oceans, resulting in significant financial and environmental damage. For example, on the night of January 1st to 2nd, 2019, the MSC Zoe vessel lost 342 containers near the Dutch Wadden Islands. Immediately after the incident, the Dutch Safety Board requested research institutions Delta and Marin to investigate what happened that night. Experts conducted extensive research, including detailed calculations and analysis of weather conditions during the incident. To do this, they built a scale model of the ship, simulated the seabed topography, and recreated weather conditions. Tests were carried out in a special pool that allowed them to replicate waves of the required height. During the study, specialists found that a combination of factors led to the disaster: high wave activity, wind strength and direction, geographical features of the routes, and the type of ship. Scientists noted that such coincidences occur only once or twice a year, but can lead to catastrophic consequences, as in the case of the MSC Zoe vessel. The final results of the study will be published after all additional work is completed. These findings and recommendations will help develop and implement necessary measures to ensure maritime safety and protect the environment. NASA promises to build homes for astronauts and civilians on the Moon by 2040 using a 3D printer that they plan to send to Earth's satellite. Lunar dust and mineral fragments from the Moon's surface layer will be used as construction materials. To implement these plans, NASA has already signed an agreement with the construction company Icon from Austin, Texas, which has built hundreds of homes for the homeless in Austin and hurricane-resistant houses in Mexico using this method. Printing a house with a 3D printer on Earth takes only 48 hours. How long it will take on the Moon, considering its lower gravity, vacuum conditions, and radiation, is still uncertain. Preliminary tests of the Icon system will be carried out on Earth at the Center for Spaceflight in February of next year. What do you think about an invention that allows a train to quickly change its route? Quite original, isn't it? Holmoy Maritime, a fish processing company, and salmon producer Eidsfjord Show Farm have developed and introduced a cutting-edge fish farm project designed to be placed in open waters. The farm consists of a moored megabarge with 6 open-sealed pools, each with a diameter of 115 feet and a depth of 40 feet. Canopies will be constructed over the pools to shield the water and fish from direct exposure to atmospheric precipitation. The vessel will be 885 feet long and will be 138 feet wide. Water for the pool will be drawn below the sea lice level, and additional protection against these and other parasites will be provided by special electric filters. Salmon waste will be collected in dedicated reservoirs, dried, and then sent to the mainland as organic fertilizers. The main driving force behind this project was recent changes in legislation and the lack of suitable land areas for terrestrial breeding of this fish species. Construction of the mega farm is planned to commence this year. Engineer Luke Talbot has designed a portable power bank called My Power Bank that can be attached to a bicycle and charge a smartphone in just 25 minutes. You can charge the device while riding or while parked by pedaling backward. The invention is based on the principle of a dynamo machine, which converts the kinetic energy of pedal rotation into electricity. The power bank attaches to the bicycle frame using a magnet, and the gear on it meshes with the bike's chain. The chain then turns the gear, which in turn drives the dynamo machine, generating energy that charges 2 lithium-ion batteries inside the device. Moto Eye has unveiled the latest version of its gadget for motorcyclists, the E6 HUD, which is unrivaled in the world. The device provides access to a smartphone, features a rear-view camera, and a hands-free communication kit. Additionally, the GPS system promptly notifies the rider about route changes, and the voice control function makes it easy to make and receive calls without the rider needing to take their hands off the handlebars or their eyes off the road. All call, route, speed, and other essential information is displayed on the helmet visor through a compact projector. The best part is that this screen is entirely transparent, allowing the rider to have a clear view of the road. A Canadian entrepreneur has built a hydroelectric power station capable of generating up to 7.5 kilowatts of electrical power. This is sufficient to meet the daily electricity needs of an average-size home. The engineer based his design on an ancient invention used in watermills. The device operates on a relatively simple principle. The fast-flowing river stream turns a wheel with blades, which, through a system of belts, drives a generator. To ensure maximum efficiency, the hydroelectric power station can lower or raise the wheel depending on the water level in the river. This approach allows for the maximum torque to be generated during a specific period of time. The use of this invention is particularly relevant in remote mountainous areas where it is challenging to extend electrical infrastructure, but where there are always rivers and strong currents. And here's how you can create artificial stone from regular concrete mix to give authenticity and individuality to any structure. Ridgeblade, a company, has developed an innovative mini wind turbine that can operate at wind speeds of up to 257 miles per hour. It is primarily designed to provide electricity for private residential homes. The generator has a cylindrical shape with blades running along its entire shaft. It's installed on the roof so it doesn't take up valuable space in your yard and doesn't attract your neighbor's attention. Moreover, this mounting method allows for the most efficient use of wind energy. The roof slopes gather the wind flows and direct them straight into the turbine, enabling it to generate electricity even in light winds. In addition to its compact size, this wind turbine operates quietly, which is another significant advantage over traditional vertical blade wind generators. Ridgeblade is suitable for installation on the roofs of homes located in urban areas, rural settings, or national parks. The Agris T40 agricultural drone from DJI is a powerful unmanned platform designed to perform a wide range of tasks. With this drone, you can spray plants, spread dry mixtures, sow seeds, map the terrain, and carry out many other operations. The quadcopter is equipped with dual sets of rotors, which allow the device to carry 30% more payload compared to traditional propellers. Additionally, the drone's foldable design makes it easy and fast to transport from one location to another. As for the other capabilities of the drone, they are equally impressive. Thanks to the dual spray system, the drone can disperse 12 liters of chemicals per minute, and the binocular vision sensor system provides 360-degree horizontal obstacle detection. This combination makes the process of agricultural crop treatment highly efficient and safe. Turkish farmers have already experienced this, as they use the Agris T40 for irrigating wheat fields. Unlike traditional methods, using a drone for treatment allows for a significant reduction in water consumption, from 2,526 liters per hectare down to just 1 liter. Yes, you heard it right. According to Turkish farmers, this is how much water a drone can save. The French company Piano Lift has developed a unique forklift for transporting pianos and grand pianos. Now, to move such a bulky and heavy musical instrument, only one person is required. Moreover, it can be transported on flat surfaces as well as steep inclines and even stairs. The device's design consists of a tracked platform and hydraulic support. To load the instrument, a hydraulic rod is positioned beneath it. Using straps, the piano is securely fastened to it, then lifted and positioned vertically on the platform. After delivering the instrument to the desired location, unloading is done in reverse order. Piano Lift can transport instruments weighing up to 1,322 pounds, allowing it to be used for moving practically all known models of pianos and grand pianos. The Pocket Staff is a collapsible staff for training or self-defense. Works like magic. When folded, this device is just 5 centimeters long, but when extended, it reaches an impressive 110 centimeters. It's made from high-quality stainless steel and unfolds almost instantly. Thanks to its compact size when folded, the staff easily fits into a jacket or pants pocket. Therefore, when needed, you can quickly retrieve it and put it into action with a simple press of a button. What do you think about this way of controlling a car? Is it truly magical, or is it a dangerous oddity? Ukrainian company Solar Gaps has developed an innovative solution for homeowners: external blinds with solar panels that can save up to 70% on electricity bills. Besides providing shade, every square meter of these mini panels can generate 100 to 150 watts of electricity. According to the developer's calculations, the combined power of blinds with solar panels in a 3-room apartment with south-facing windows will be approximately 4 kilowatts per day. Unused energy is stored in batteries and available for use at any time. The system is controlled via a remote control or a smartphone app, and the blind sizes range from 32 by 36 to 72 by 83 inches, depending on the window dimensions. Evar has introduced its latest creation, the autonomous robot called Parky. designed for refueling electric cars in indoor parking lots. When needed, every parking lot visitor can ask the robot to charge their electric vehicle. To do this, simply connect the electric car to a special terminal and inform the system that charging is required. The robot will autonomously locate the specific vehicle using built-in sensors, connect to the terminal, and commence charging the batteries. The refueling robot sensors are highly sensitive, allowing it to maneuver obstacles and charge electric cars in tight spaces. This means you can park your car anywhere without worrying if there's enough space for the robot. Dutch company XD Design has released a portable solar charging device with a suction cup called the Port Solar Charger. The product consists of two parts, a solar panel with a suction cup and a 1400 mAh battery. The solar panel can be attached to the window of a bus, train, car, or plane. According to the manufacturer, the battery is fully charged in approximately 20 hours using this method. The solar panel is not directly connected to gadgets. Instead, it is used to charge its own power bank, which is then used to charge mobile devices. The battery capacity is sufficient to charge a phone up to 50%. However, even a small amount of electrical energy can sometimes allow you to make an important call. What invention, in your opinion, deserves the most attention? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's plenty more fascinating information from the world of science and technology coming your way.